Hi, this is Miss Seema. Welcome back to our channel Seema's Educational World. Today we are going to learn parts of speech. The next part of speech in English language is known as. Before watching this video, please like, comment and share my channel. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Welcome back to our channel Seema's Educational World. So today we are going to learn parts of speech. In parts of speech we see the next parts of speech, conjunction. Conjunction plays an important role in English language. While speaking, while saying something, at that time we use conjunctions. Before watching this video, please like, comment and share my channel. If you like it, please share with your friends to press the bell icon. Yes, let's learn conjunctions. Conjunctions, it means conjunction is a word which is used to link a word or a group of words to the other part of the sentences, and it shows the relationship. It shows the relationship between them. If there are two sentences, with the help of we see the relationship between two sentences. Yes, conjunction is a word which is used to link. Remember the very important word, link a word or a group of words. Sometimes we join two words each other, sometimes we join two group of words to the other part of the sentences, and it shows the relationship between them. Another way we may call conjunction joins two words together, sometimes two sentences together, sometimes two phrases together. This word is known as conjunction, and it shows the relationship between both words, both sentences, both clauses. So conjunction, it means conjunction are used to join the constructing sentences. If you want to join two sentences together, to build two sentences together, we use these conjunctions. For example, conjunctions are used to join the contrasting sentences. It joins clauses, sentences or words together. It shows the relationship between together. Word plus word, sometimes group of word plus group of words, sometimes group of word plus words, sometimes clauses plus clauses, sometimes sentence plus sentence, sometimes sentence plus word. In this way, conjunction plays a very important role while joining or constructing two sentences, two phrases and two words with each other. So we'll see the type of conjunction. How many types of conjunctions are there? First one is coordinative conjunction, second one is correlative conjunction, third one is subordinative conjunctions, and the fourth one is adverbial conjunctions. It's known as linking adverbs. So let's see first type of coordinative conjunctions. What do you mean coordinative conjunction? A coordinative conjunction is used to join a single word. Remember, a single word like noun, sometimes it may be pronoun, sometimes it may be adjective, sometimes verb, sometimes adverb, sometimes phrase, or sometimes clause, or sometimes clauses. There are main 7 coordinative conjunctions. You know the fanboy. This is the short form formula to remember coordinative conjunction. F for it used to show the reason or cause. A and is used to show the additional information, and nor is used to show the impossible result, and B but is used to show the differences, and O or is used to show the another choice, yet is used to show the unexpected result, S is used to show the result. In this way, the fanboys formula is very important. I thought you have learned before, you know that the formula and so on. We'll see some examples. Before watching these examples, please go throughout the formula of coordinative conjunctions. There is sentence plus comma plus coordinative conjunction. It means, in other words, fanboys plus sentences. This is a very important formula. Please note down it. For example, I take fruits and milk for breakfast. Yes, I take is one sentence, then comma plus and is here coordinative conjunction. Milk for the breakfast is another sentence. Both sentences join with the help of coordinative conjunction. And go away, never come back, and is here coordinative conjunction. Do you want an ice cream? This is one sentence, and the another is word. Or chocolate, or is here coordinative conjunction. Rina drank some milk. Yes, this is one sentence. For is here coordinative conjunction. She was hungry is here second sentence. Both sentences join with the help of for. Ramesh plays hockey well. This is another sentence. With the help of this yet coordinative conjunction, we join two sentences. Another sentence is here. His favorite game is football. That's why the red word shows us coordinative conjunction. The next we'll see. Do you like mango? This is one sentence. Or is here coordinative conjunction. Or apple. We see here. One sentence is here and another is here word. Or is coordinative conjunction. Which food do you like? Chapati or roti? Yes. Which food do you like? Chapati or roti? This is one sentence and another is word. Join with the help of or coordinative conjunction. I was feeling hungry. So is here coordinative conjunction. I made myself chapati. I was feeling hungry is first sentence. The second sentence, I made myself chapati. Both sentences join with the help of so. I did not go playing. This is one sentence. Because it was raining. Yes. Because is here coordinative conjunction. Ramesh is poor. But Ramesh is poor, comma is here. A very honest boy. But is here coordinative conjunction. It joins two sentences. Reena doesn't like pineapple. This is one sentence. Nor is here coordinative conjunction. Does she like banana? Or it doesn't like banana. Nor is here coordinative conjunction. It shows that Reena doesn't like pineapple, doesn't like banana. Next, correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunctions are conjunctions which are used in pair and they emphasize or they highlight the element that join together. Remember the most important word emphasize or highlight. The elements that join together. These conjunctions are used in a pair. There is no single conjunction. In correlative conjunction we use pair. Pair it means we see not only his pair. Either or. Neither nor, both and, whether or, no sooner than, as much as, rather than, such that. These are the correlative conjunctions we use as a pair to highlight the elements, to join together elements. This is some examples of correlative conjunctions. I want both ice cream and juice here. Both and. This is correlative conjunction. He is playing not only carom but also chess. Neither Rohan nor Sachin can play baseball. Both play the game and wait for a few minutes. Both and. Either they were positive or negative. Either or. This is pair of conjunction. We see next subordinative conjunctions. What do you mean subordinative conjunctions? Subordinative conjunctions are a word or a phrase. Remember. I mean sometimes words, sometimes we use phrase which is used to join the different elements. One element is called main clause. Sometimes main clause is known as principal clause. Okay, remember. And another call is subordinate clause which cannot stand alone. Subordinate clause is known as dependent clause. If we read only dependent clause in this way, subordinative conjunction like after, how, than, where, however, although, though, that, either, which, as much as, if, unless, while, because, until, before, so, since, out, as well as, etc. These are the subordinative conjunctions. We'll see I have make some clue to remember subordinative conjunctions with the help of these hot bites you. Hot. W for when, H for while. Sorry. W for when, W for while. H for however, A for although, T for though. Bites. B for because, before, I for if, T for that, E for either, S for so or since, U for Y for X, O for out, U for unless. Remember, hot bites you. This is a formula or clue for subordinative conjunctions. Remember, this is very important. Three words. Hot bites you. With the help of you, will remember the subordinative conjunction. We'll see some examples of subordinative conjunctions. For example, before we left home, I had my breakfast. Before is here subordinative conjunction. When he was washing my car, I went to the store. Even though the weather was horrible, they still went outside. Provided they come, we can start class this day. To get more than 20,000 salary. This red word shows us subordinative conjunctions. Next, adverbial conjunctions. Adverbial conjunctions, linking adverbs. Adverbial conjunctions linking adverbs are the adverbs that are joined to two independent clauses. Adverbial conjunctions linking adverbs to show the relationship between two sentences. Most important word is here two sentences, and in a general adverbial conjunctions linking adverb expresses the result, contrast and the addition. Remember, three words are more important. See, adverbial conjunctions linking adverb always we use with the help of result, second contrast, third addition. As a result, therefore, thus, hence, however, conversely, instead, on the other hand, nonetheless. For the addition we use further, furthermore, in addition, moreover, besides, also. For example, we see some example before that. Go throughout the formula: sentence plus semicolon plus linking adverb plus comma plus sentence. For example, they have never studied their subject. As a result, they failed their exam. She tries to tell him, however, he doesn't care her. You pity me. Moreover, you give me some change. Please stop teasing, otherwise I will beat you. These red words shows us conjunctions. So thank you all of you for watching my video. See you soon in the next video. I hope that you must be enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you all of you. See you soon in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.